The FES Center has a range of expertise, as we've been discussing, in science, engineering. We've been successful, I think, because most of our projects have a very clear goal in mind, a clinical goal.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
And I think it's just important for us to remember that has been our strength, that focus on finding clinical solutions through technology. It's really the areas of application that have expanded tremendously.
A lot of my research is using sensory stimulation. So for example, we try to restore bladder function, which can have a devastating effect on individuals.
In stroke, we have the opportunity to encourage neuroplasticity for the brain to regain control of the lower limb function or hand function.
As far as the research I'm doing, there's really two areas. One is the hand function for spinal cord injured patients. The other area is a much newer area, using electrical currents to block nerve conduction. So
we not only activate the nervous system, now we can deactivate it for things like pain and spasticity and other unwanted activities. The FES Center has been especially in the peripheral nervous system for several decades and has a worldwide reputation here.
Over the last decade or so, basic neuroscience has provided us with a template of understanding the networks of neurons that we're interacting with in a way that we just didn't understand before. And this is very exciting, new, really groundbreaking science that's now having opportunities for direct clinical application.
It's been a long road. It's a lot of work to get from the point of things scribbled on napkins to an FDA-approved device that can be put into humans.
A hallmark of our research activities has been collaboration. We've always had teams of whatever the mix of expertise was needed in order to address the clinical problem at hand.
The industrial collaborations, I think, making sure that the research we're doing is relevant to the medical device industry and the rapidly growing neuromodulation industry.
None of us possesses all the knowledge that we need to get the best outcome for our patients. We all have to work with other people that have other expertise besides ourselves, and we work together to come up with the best possible solutions for patients.
So collaborations like this between clinicians and engineers really require communication and an understanding how to speak different languages to ultimately serve the final mission, which is to help our patients.
All of us are here because we're interested in helping people.
For me, the best thing is being able to evaluate a patient for the first time, someone who's been injured for 10 or 20 years and thought they were basically at the end of what medical treatment can offer. And we have something that really goes beyond that and is very practical for them.
That's really the motivation for everyone in the FES Center, is to find ways to help veterans get their lives back to where they want them to be.
A number of us here in the center, we moved to Cleveland because we want to help people. We want to have a chance that the work we do can actually end up in a device that can help a number of people, not just the people that we see in our own labs. I think that's what motivates us in the work we do.